Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and recently we just wrapped up the IWF show in Atlanta, Georgia. We connected with a lot of people at the show. Specifically, our videos and demonstrations showed what people wanted to do with their woodworking or business ventures. And so we're going to do that here in this video, and technically other videos will be demonstrating everything that we showed at the IWF show. So I hope you enjoy it. Now, if you're interested in learning more about a Legacy CNC machine, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, you can always talk to one of our CNC experts by calling 801-491-0010, but you can also leave any comments or questions down below. Now, if you'd like to see more demonstrations like this and the CNC in action and other CNC projects, I recommend you click right over there. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and check that notification box so that you can be notified when new videos like this come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.